Accountancy. Today we learn about not-for-profit organizations. As we know that such organizations are formed to provide services to the society. Their purpose is not to earn profit. That's why they are known as not-for-profit organizations. Such organizations are run by the members of the organization. Today, we go through the subscription, accounting treatment of subscriptions. Subscription is the amount paid by the members of the not-for-profit organizations on periodical basis so that their membership remains alive. It is revenue in nature, means subscription is revenue in nature. It is the main source of income. It is the main source of income of a not-for-profit organization. How to treat with the amount of subscriptions? The amount of subscription is to be shown in final accounts in such a way. Number one, in receipts and payments account, subscriptions received during the year is recorded in the receipt side of the receipts and payment account. Total subscriptions received during the accounting period are recorded. Second, income and expenditure account. Subscription is treated on accrual basis, so only that amount of subscriptions which relates to the current accounting period is recorded on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Third, opening balance sheet. Subscriptions outstanding at the beginning of the current year is shown on the asset side. Subscriptions received in advance at the beginning of current year are shown on the liability side. Fourth, closing balance sheet. Subscriptions outstanding at the end of current year is shown on the asset side. Subscriptions received in advance at the end of the current year are shown on the liability side. To make the clear example, suppose a club received rupees 70,000 as subscriptions during the year 2018-19, out of which rupees 5,000 relates to previous year 2017-18 and rupees 3,000 to next year 2019-20. Subscriptions of rupees 7,000 are still outstanding for the current year 2018 and 19. Accounting treatment. As we know that in case of not-for-profit organizations, two main accounts, receipts and payments account, income and expenditure accounts are maintained. And in addition, opening and closing balance sheets are maintained. So in the above example, in receipts and payment account, rupees 70,000 will be shown on the receipt side as receipts from subscriptions. In income and expenditure account, rupees 69,000 will be shown in the income side as income from subscriptions. It will be shown like rupees 70,000 received during the year less rupees 5,000 relates to the previous year, rupees 3,000 relates to the next year, plus 7,000 still outstanding for the current year. In opening balance sheet, rupees 5,000 will be shown on the asset side as it is the amount of subscriptions outstanding in the beginning of the year. And closing balance sheet, subscriptions outstanding at the end of the current year, rupees 7,000 will be shown on the asset side. Subscriptions received in advance at the end, rupees 3,000 will be shown on the liability side. Now, the table showing calculation of subscription. Total subscription received during the year, add subscriptions outstanding at the end for current year, add subscriptions received in advance in the beginning of the year less subscriptions outstanding in the beginning received during the year less subscription received in advance at the end of the year. Then we come to the subscription to be credited to income and expenditure account. Subscription is also calculated by preparing subscription account. Debit, credit. On debit side, to outstanding subscriptions account in the beginning. By outstanding subscriptions account at the end. By advance subscription account in the beginning to advance subscriptions account at the end. By bank account, total subscriptions received during the year. The balancing figure will be to income and expenditure account. The balancing amount is credited to the income and expenditure account. Go through the above example. Subscriptions received during the year, rupees 70,000. Add subscriptions outstanding at the end of the year, 7,000. Add subscriptions in the beginning, nil, less subscription outstanding in the beginning, 5,000, less advance subscriptions at the end of the year, 3,000. The amount of subscriptions credited to the income account is 69,000. Subscription can be calculated by preparing subscriptions account. To outstanding subscription account, the subscription outstanding in the beginning, that is rupees 5,000. By outstanding subscription account, subscriptions outstanding at the end, that is rupees 7,000. By advance subscription account in the beginning, which is nil. By bank account, subscription received during the year, that is rupees 70,000. To advance subscription account at the end, which is rupees 3,000, the balancing figure will be 69,000, which will be shown on the credit side or income side of income and expenditure account, 69,000.